Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how can generate images in Perplexity AI. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. What you'll need to do is go to the chat and write a prompt like create a little cute dolphin for me or something like this. And as you can see, I got it. So how you can do that? Just by writing generate me a little pony horse image and send it. And as you can see, it will create it, and only you can create only 2 images because it is daily limit if you don't have pro version. But with pro you will be able to create a lot of more. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, and we see you in the next one.